Did you know the US government secretly watched its own diplomats get irradiated for years without telling them? Starting in the 1950s, the Soviets aimed low-level microwave beams directly at the American embassy in Moscow. When US intelligence found out in the 1960s, they didn't warn the staff. They started quietly tracking their health instead. Ambassador Walter Stossel developed a rare blood disorder. He later died of leukemia. He never knew what was living inside those walls with him. The government had a choice. They chose the data.